Hi everyone, you're back with me again for November 2025 Roaster Club subscription video. For today, our coffee for November this month, we are back to Africa. We are going to be brewing Kayon Mountain Ethiopian Natural. The coffee that we choose for you is very classic Kayon Mountain profile, a lot of orange, a little bit of berries, a little bit of strawberry, very floral as well. For today, we are using the Baby Zero, the Orea 01. We're going to be using the Orea paper filter, the wave, and we are going to use the negotiator to make it a no bypass brew. For grinder, we're using the K Ultra 8.5. It's going to be on the coarser side. The water, 90 degrees Celsius, which means that we are doing a little coarse grind, a little cooler water. However, for our brew today, we are gonna increase the extractions by increasing the pour. So we are using multiple pours, and the no bypass gonna help out with that as well. This is gonna overall increase that floral, that acidity, while maintaining that syrupy body for this Ethiopian natural as well. So let's get started. Today we are using 15 grams of coffee to 240 grams of water, a little higher strength. As you know, I usually enjoy more of 1 to 16.67, so like 15 grams to 50, which you can also do as well. The pour structure today, we are doing 5 pours. It's going to be pretty easy. 50, 50, 50, 50, 40 every 30 seconds. And then if you want to control the strength, you're gonna be adjusting the very last pour, which means that you can, if you want more strength, decrease the last pour to be 30 instead of 40, or you want less strength, higher acidity, a bit less on the mouthfeel, then you go up to 250 or 50 grams in the last pour. To prep the paper, we're gonna quickly wet this paper. After it is wet, we can use our negotiator. We're gonna go slow and then twist as you push down. Okay, there we go. And what you end up is something nice like this. Not bad. So essentially this is gonna reduce the bypass overall, almost a no bypass. So slightly, small bit of bypass. Grind size, medium coarse. There we go, 15 grams. For pouring, we're gonna do quite slow on the pour. Your 50 grams of pouring will take about 13 to 15 seconds, so quite gentle on the pour. And we're gonna keep it like that throughout. All right, 30 seconds. We're gonna go up to 100. The way that you pour, you start in the middle, do a kind of quarter size, and then go out with one round, and then you can come back. Just for those that you really need direction. And if you want to have fun, you can try one pour with counterclockwise and one pour counter. Wait, if you really want to have fun, you can do one pour clockwise and one pour counterclockwise. See if that makes any difference. All right, we are on our 4th pour. We're gonna go up to 200. A reminder, a bit cooler on the water side to maintain a bright, vibrant acidity. And we are doing multiple pours, 5 pour for this brew to enhance that mouthfeel. Okay, my last pour, 240. Today I'm pairing my drinks with the new Origami mini matcha bowl. The lip is quite open, so this is also going to help enhance that acidity and the floral as well. Perfect. Total brew time between 2 minutes 30 to 2 minutes 45, as the Baby O is quite fast. Yeah. Now if you use Kalita paper, it's going to be slightly slower. You can also adjust your grind size as well. If you're using Origami wave paper, it's going to be very similar. Quite a lot of stone fruit on the aroma, as well as floral, a little bit of jasmine, a bit of rose in there. Just as wanted. Vibrant acidity, but the mouthfeel is quite syrupy. So the mouthfeel is creamy. jasmine, vanilla, rose, a bit of blueberry, strawberry in there as well. And this is only gonna get better as it cools down too. That orange really come through. Okay, so for this month, we will also have espresso recipe, and I will let the other ply lead the way. All right, we are now on the bar, and we are, just like Ply said, K-on Mountain on espresso. We're using the Flammable A68. Grind size is going to be 0.8.8, or I guess 8.8 on the first rotation, and 19.5 grams coffee, and we're going to do 48 out in about 28 seconds. This recipe will be good for espresso and also short milk drinks as well, around a 6 ounce, so like a cappuccino or a flat white. Don't forget, clean your portafilter. Good to go. Oh, very nice. Quick prep. And today we will make a milk drink, so I'll make a flat white. And we're gonna go straight 9 bars, no pre-infusion. If you have a pre-infusion, you can do a 8-second pre-infusion also. A little slow, that's okay. Boy, 38. Okay, let me check the espresso first. It's a little longer than what I had dialed in. Also very good, more sweet, but I would say that shorter in time of the shot, but the volume out it would probably is better. Still, don't want to waste the shot. Here we go.
Wow.
Not too bad. Orange milk chocolate, a little bit of strawberry, and that's for our espresso and milk drink with the K-on Mountains. All right, back to Ply. All right, I hope you enjoyed that espresso recipe, and we are back. By back, I mean that's it for now. I will see you again. I believe next month's my turn again for December Roaster Club subscription brewing video. For now, enjoy the fall. It's snowing outside, maybe. Anyway, enjoy the coffee. Until next time, bye. Actually, I think my brew this morning was better. Not much different. The kettle may be a little dusty.